And 9 years ago today, I lost a really good childhood friend of mine. And there's no other feeling than losing someone, and it's the hardest thing. I love you too, but hold on.
Shut up!
When I recorded this song, originally I had one person in mind, and it was my friend Trenton, who died 9 years ago today. And then this past summer, about a year ago, and my dad died. And as life goes on, it's really kind of crazy that we lose people, and one day they're here, the next day they're gone. This is for anybody that has lost someone. For me, I'm gonna sing it to heaven, to my Nightingale, named Trenton. And with that being said, everyone in this audience, love as hard as you can. Sing as loud as you can. Cherish every single memory with every single person that you meet, because one day they might not be here.
I'm a cry.
But they will become your Nightingale.
Can you hold this for a second?
I can't sleep tonight. Wide awake and so confused.
Do you want to hold it?
Everything's in
Want to hold it?
but I refuse.
Oh my god. It's not gonna
I
work.
need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero. Is it you? I never see the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my Nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You can be my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my Nightingale. So speak to me, 'cause I'm feeling like hell. Need you to answer me. I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo. I need a guide to take me home. I need a star to follow. I don't know. I never see the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my Nightingale? Sing to me, I
That's it.